Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this camera video transition on CapCut PC. So select your videos. I'm just going to go to the library and browse for a video. I'm just going to select this one and this one. And once I'm done with that, I am going to go to the stock video up here. I'm going to select this white background, and I'm just going to make it actually super small, and I'm going to select the fade in and out animation, I think. So it looks like this, but if it's too long, just edit it a little bit. I feel like it's a little bit too long. Hold on. Just make it closer to each other. There you go. And then go to audio, go to sound effects, and select and type in camera. And I'm just going to select this shutter sound, and I'm just going to place it on the video transition here. And this is what it should look like. You can use another one. I prefer that one than the first one, so just whichever. And yeah, that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!